before I left, we were talking about the visions of Amos. Today is which day? Very good. So before I left, we were talking about the visions of Amos. And these are the visions that took place following the call, following his call. So name the visions of Amos that you talked about. Yes?
Vision of locusts.
Locust was the first one. Yes.
Vision of plum.
Sorry? Yes, there was also the plumbline. Yes? Yes, there was the vision of the great fire. And there are two that we never talked about. Yes?
Vision of summer trees.
Yes, summer fruits. We have the summer fruits. Yeah?
Vision of crooked wall.
Crooked wall is in the plumb line.
Vision of the destruction of man.
Yes. God was standing, the altar, yes? Was standing beside the altar. So it was destroyed that we talked about. So before I left, we talked about the vision of the locust. And the vision of the locust, in this vision, God was to send a swarm of locusts. These locusts were very frequent in Israel, so he was sending this swarm of locusts to eat everything in the land of Israel. And this is because they were disobedient to him. And Amos pleaded to God to withdraw this punishment, and he did what? He withdrew. We also talked about the vision of the great fire. And we said this is not normal fire, just normal fire. This was a what? Supernatural fire. Meaning that this fire, you cannot distinguish it just by using water. Yes? So it was, this great fire was going to cause total destruction. That meant that there would be lack of what? Food and water. So what happened? The fire did not happen. The fire did not cause the destruction because Amos also pleaded with God, and God had mercy and he withdrew the what? The punishment. We also talked about the plumb line. And here, God was standing beside a crooked wall. He was standing beside a crooked wall, and he was using the plumb line to do what? To measure whether it was straight. Remember that a plumb line is used to measure to see whether a wall is straight. So that was what God was doing in this vision. He was standing beside this crooked wall and measuring to see whether it is straight. What it meant is that God, just like the way he was measuring the straightness of the plumb line, God was seeing what the Israelites were doing. And he found out that they were not straight because they had broken the covenant. Just like the way, if you find a wall is crooked, it is supposed to be done what? Destroyed. So because the Israelites were crooked, they needed to be what? Destroyed. They needed to be punished. Because now they were going against being the chosen nation. In this vision, you have to remember that Amos did not plead to God on their behalf. Amos did not plead to God on their behalf. Therefore, this vision was going to come to pass. God did not withdraw the punishment. Then number 4,